From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of feeling suffocated by stagnant air in your home or office? The Teles vertical window fan 35 to 155 centimeters optional is here to change that. This game-changing ventilation fan is designed to provide a full range of sizes to fit most vertical windows, making it an ideal solution for various spaces. With its retractable design, it seamlessly adapts to your space, providing efficient airflow while maintaining a beautiful appearance. The fan's speed can reach up to 2,800 revolutions per minute, allowing for adjustable air volume, resulting in a cool and comfortable environment. Notably, this fan operates at a remarkably low noise level, with a minimum of 36 decibels, ensuring it won't disturb your sleep, work, or study time. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and quiet operation. The fan's efficient cooling and low noise features make it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, study rooms, offices, and storage rooms. For instance, the speed controller allows you to adjust the air volume to your liking, giving you a sense of control over your environment. Additionally, the fan's lightweight and thin design make it easy to install and maneuver, providing improved ventilation without taking up too much space. Overall, the Teles vertical window fan is a superior choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient ventilation solution, and with its well-reviewed track record, it's an excellent investment for anyone looking to breathe new life into their space. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.